Everything you need to know about Viagra. Viagra was the first medicine discovered for the treatment of erectile dysfunction. Its active ingredients is sildenafil, available in 3 different dosages: 25, 50 and 100 milligrams. 50 milligrams is the typical starting dosage, usually recommended to men who use the medicine for the first time. One pill should be taken 30 to 60 minutes before intercourse. It is effective for 4 to 5 hours. How does Viagra work? Some people think that Viagra causes involuntary or continuous erections. Don't worry, this is not how the medication works. Problems with achieving an erection are most often caused by reduced blood flow to the penis. Viagra relaxes smooth muscles and widens the blood vessels inside of the penis, which increases the blood flow into the tissue and helps to achieve and maintain an erection. However, this only happens as a result of sexual stimulation. After ejaculation, or when sexual arousal falls, the blood flows out of the penis and the erection stops. Remember, Viagra is a prescription medication with clinically proven effectiveness.
Euroclinics, your online doctor and pharmacy.